Hi and welcome to True North Marine's short video on nautical sound signals. If this is your first time here, my name is Peter, and in this short video today I'm going to run through the sound signals for vessels in sight of one another, what we call the visual sound signals. So the first definitions are very straightforward. A short blast means a blast of about 1 second duration, and the term prolonged blast means a blast of 4 to 6 seconds duration. So the next thing we need to know is, when are the signals used? The first ones are manoeuvring and warning signals. They are used by power-driven vessels when underway. A power-driven vessel is a vessel propelled by machinery. So even a sailing vessel would be a power-driven vessel if it is using its engines. Now, underway is when a vessel is not attached to the dock or an anchor or aground. So these signals are to advise other vessels that are in sight of you of your manoeuvring intentions. The other manoeuvring and warning signals are for vessels inside of one another in a narrow channel or fairway. When it comes to having equipment for making sound signals, it can be seen that this applies to every vessel. The rules on the screen are taken from a recreational boating handbook. So in the next slide, you're going to hear the visual sound signals, that is, for vessels inside of one another. And on the screen, you'll see the corresponding meaning for each sound signal. When it's all said and done, this really is must-know information. Now, if you're looking for an easy way to remember those sound signals, look at the characteristics. All the visual sound signals are short blasts, and when you add them up, there's only 4 of them. So in this next segment, we're going to look at sound signals for vessels in a narrow channel where one vessel wants to overtake another vessel. Once again, there are only 4 sound signals. And finally, for visual sound signals, we have the sound signal for a vessel approaching a bend in a channel where other vessels may be obscured. So there you have it, 4 sound signals for vessels inside of one another when manoeuvring, 4 sound signals for vessels in overtaking situations in a narrow channel, and 1 sound signal for a vessel approaching a bend where other vessels may be obscured around that bend. 9 signals in total. Hopefully you found that very straightforward and simple to understand. If you like it, please give us a likes up on the page. Thanks for your time. See you next time round.